For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The world is still reeling under the effects that COVID-19 pandemic has had over the past 6 months. A virus which is reported to have seen its origin in China's wet markets in November has now spread its tentacles across the globe. Now researchers are worried there is another flu which has the potential to become a pandemic. Chinese researchers have reportedly identified a new strain of the swine flu that has the potential to become a pandemic. Researchers have said that the Chinese pigs are frequently becoming infected with a strain of influenza that has the potential to jump to humans. The study has also suggested that the virus could mutate further in humans, leading to easy spread from person to person and trigger a global outbreak. The work comes as a salutary reminder that we are constantly at risk of new emergence of zoonotic pathogens and that farmed animals with which humans have great contact that with wildlife may act as a source for important pandemic viruses. The study, which was published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, focuses on an influenza virus named G4. G4 is genetically descendant from the H1N1 strain that caused a pandemic in 2009. A zoonotic infection is caused by a pathogen that has jumped from a non-human animal into a human. It is of concern that human infection of G4 virus will further human adaptation and increase the risk of a human pandemic. While it is not an immediate problem, it has all the hallmarks of being highly adapted to infected humans and needs close monitoring. Given that it's a new development, people will likely have little to no immunity. The last pandemic flu the world encountered was the swine flu outbreak of 2009 that began in Mexico. While the entire world is focused on COVID-19 pandemic, researchers feel the world should not ignore G4 virus. The swine flu outbreak of 2009 was less deadly than initially feared, largely because many older people had some immunity to it. Right now, we are distracted with coronavirus, and rightly so, but we must not lose sight of the potentially dangerous new viruses. While this new virus is not an immediate problem, we should not ignore it. Between 2011 and 2018, researchers took 30,000 nasal swabs from pigs in slaughterhouses in 10 Chinese provinces. The majority of a new kind that has been dominant among pigs since 2016. Current flu vaccines do not appear to protect against it, although they could be adapted to do so if needed. The new strain of influenza is among the top disease threats that experts are watching out for.